Don't you just hate it whenever you start up Adobe Premiere Pro and it seems like the buttons and the windows seems to be not located where you want it, or you accidentally somehow move it somewhere else? Well, today I'm going to show you guys how to create a template, otherwise known as a workspace, so you can always make it how you want it. Alright, so here I'm just going to go ahead and move this toolbar down here because it's a standard, and I'm going to resize everything. And I like my effects tab to be on the upper right hand window. That seems like the default thing to do. Alright, so I'm going to move it up here to the upper right. See, it's how it's looking real nice right now. Here I'll just have info and maybe history on the bottom left. That seems good right here. Now I can have my Windows project right here. Alright, so now you're going to go to Windows, Workspace, and then you are going to save as new workspace. I'm just going to name it something like something easy to remember. How about I call it YouTube projects? That looks good. Okay. Alright, and in case you want to do edit the workspace, you can always reorder it, or you can even delete it. That's how you would do it. Okay, see, simply click and delete. Okay, alright, so now you're probably wondering what happens if I close the file and open it again. Will it come back up will I save the template, or do I have to manually do it? That's a good question. Now let's go ahead and close this. Alright, and open up the file again. Sometimes a quick refresh will help clear out the system cache, maybe. Alright, so here we go. We're starting up. You guys putting money on? I would say maybe yes. Okay, I don't think it did. But now let me go ahead and click on Workspace and take me to the YouTube projects. You see how it automatically reverted back to that? Okay, so now we know how to do that. Okay, so the next question is, what happens if I create a new project? Will it automatically take me to the YouTube projects template, or the default? That's a good question. Okay, so I'm going to close out this file right here. Close out the project I meant. And I'm going to start up a new project. Just start up Adobe Premiere Pro. And the project will be this tactical flashlight, alright? That I'm trying to review. So new project, and then I'm gonna say choose location, Feiyachi tactical, right there. Okay, and then you can name it if you want. I'll just say tactical. How about that? Okay, and it looks like it didn't start up in the YouTube project which I created, but again, you can easily hold on a second. Before I say that, I better bring some files over too, because sometimes it automatically adjusts itself. Alright, Feiyachi, I also want to confirm that. Okay, so I bring some file over. Alright, it looks like, yeah. Oh, the effects tab is right here. Okay. So I think it did, because you see how because I don't have any video file, see? It's already got YouTube project. I'm just curious what happens if I go to vertical. Okay. So it went to that project, and now I go back to YouTube projects. Okay, so that's how you save a template or workspace for your projects. Have fun.